My name is Dermot Cavanagh. I'm an artist, tutor and demonstrator, and I have presented 74 how to paint programs for the BBC called Awash with Colour. If I can paint any picture that I've ever seen anywhere in the world with these 12 colours. Cerulean blue here is also a very heavy pigment. You can see there's a lot of texture there as well, so that's very useful if you want to get texture. Back to that question on paper. I would use 3 different papers. One is an English paper. I'm using it at the moment. Now I'm going to zoom in here so that you can see what's going to happen in the next little bit. So if I pull that in pretty close, you can see that area. To make that darker, all I need to do is add a little bit of blue, French ultramarine, and some light red, and that should make that really, really dark and a little bit dirty. Now I'm going to feed this in along the edge there, and that's still damp and wet. And I'll show you this as neat as I can. That's just enough to indicate the grey slate on top of that roof. And you can see right away that that has given a 3-dimensional aspect to the scene. So I'm just going to put in a little bit of detailing there and here, just to show that there are a few darker stones. Those will dry out a little bit lighter. So there's a bit of stonework there. Just going to highlight that, emphasizing shadows that are underneath there, and a little bit here as well. That's lots of French ultramarine, and this is going to be very dark as well. That should be lovely. I'll try this just there. You can see that that's very dark, and it's French ultramarine, light red and Windsor violet. This is a very quick and easy way to do rocks. I'm nearly done anyway. And I'm going to put a few birds in here, maybe one up there. So I hope that you've really enjoyed watching the demonstration. I know that I've enjoyed doing it for you. I know these are terrible times that we're in, and we'll get through it, but let's get through it together. I have presented 74 how to paint programs for the BBC called Awash with Colour.
I'm quite chuffed with that.
You've got confidence already, John.
Not about that.
Give it a little bit of oomph there.
Exactly.
Have you the colour there for oomph?
On this exciting new website, I can guide you step by step through watercolour landscape paintings, from the initial sketch to the finishing touches. Get hours of expert video tuition and follow every brushstroke. Interact with a library of video tutorials which have been filmed in great detail. You will learn basic techniques as well as many fascinating tips and tricks of the trade. Learn how to sketch, paint skies, mix colours, paint trees and foliage, give texture to rocks and brickwork, contrast light against dark, take the pain out of painting windows, paint figures, and lots more. For painters of all ages and levels of ability, it is the most unique and innovative way to learn to paint today, and can be accessed immediately worldwide from the comfort of your own home.
Everyone will know what they're getting for Christmas from now on, you know. My crazed imagining.